Yes, it's homemade lava cake, and it's probably much easier to make than you think.
The key is making sure that the lava cake comes out of the dish in one piece. So begin by generously buttering each ramekin on the bottom and sides. Then dust each one with cocoa powder, tapping out the excess. This helps to prevent the cake from sticking and keeps the exterior dark and chocolatey. Whereas if you dusted it with flour, it can leave a white coating, which we prefer not to have. Set the prepared dishes aside and combine the chocolate and butter in a microwavable bowl. Heat until the butter is melted and the chocolate begins to melt. And then you're gonna stir and stir and stir a little more until the butter and the chocolate are combined and the mixture is super smooth and beautiful. Now onto the eggs. Separate 3 eggs, keeping the yolk and saving the whites for another use. Then add 3 more whole eggs. Add in the sugar, salt, and vanilla. Beat with a hand mixer on a high speed until light and foamy. Add the almond flour mixing to combine, and finally, that silky chocolate and butter mixture. Oh my goodness, that is looking great! Now pour the batter evenly into the ramekins, placing them on a baking tray to easily get them in and out of the oven. In less than 15 minutes, they come out of the oven with darkened and dry tops that have risen just a little bit. And here comes the hardest part. Very carefully, using oven mitts, invert the ramekins onto small plates, and then lift the ramekin off to reveal the cake.
So it just looks like your regular chocolate cake until you get your spoon in there, and you can see that ooey gooey, melty chocolate center. That's what makes it a lava cake.
I like to top it with whipped cream and raspberries for added drama when you dig in. You can grab this recipe for gluten-free lava cake at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.